Excessive fouling in fired heaters increases fuel use, emissions, and operational costs. It leads to high stack temperatures, reduced heat transfer, and potential environmental fines. TubeTech robotic fouling removal system eliminates over 90% of deposits safely without chemicals. Its advanced sensors adapt to warp tubes and bends, ensuring precise cleaning without damage. Fired heaters experience lower stack temperatures, restored heat transfer, reduced fuel consumption, and lower emissions, resulting in improved efficiency, extended asset life, and a fast return on investment. If you need immediate relief and turnaround is years away, Hot-tek's hot convection cleaning is the solution. We remove fouling online without interrupting production. Our engineers assess existing viewports and add access ports if needed. Using our hot access creation service, we insert a proprietary lens and blasting tip to propel dry ice media, dislodging debris through abrasion and thermal expansion. The process is safe for convection tubes and fins, progressing port by port. Once clean, plugs are replaced, restoring heat transfer and improving process efficiency.